This is what we're not using. This is what we're not gonna do anymore. This is what we're doing now, because these bottles, we can get the tablets and reuse and reuse and reuse.
The impact that we can have is not just about our specific cleaning products or body wash, but really is driving a broader shift in consumer mindset away from single use. I'm Sarah Paijiu, co-founder and CEO of Blueland. Blueland is on a mission to eliminate single-use plastic packaging, starting with personal care and cleaning products. We sell our products as a refillable, reusable system, so they come with a set of reusable forever bottles that can be easily and conveniently refilled with tablets and powders. The journey to founding Blueland actually started with my journey to becoming a new mom. I was doing a lot of research into the water that I should use to make my son's baby formula. And I was pretty horrified to learn that so much of our drinking water here in the US, regardless of whether it's tap or bottled water, contains about 100 pieces of microplastics per liter. I learned that many of our spray cleaners are 90% or more water. And so it didn't make sense that as a consumer, I was buying a new plastic bottle and 90% water every time when I had plenty of water at home for practically free. And so that was how the original idea came about. Like, what if we just sold people what they needed and they could add their own water at home? And by removing the water, that would enable us to drastically reduce emissions as well as the cost related to shipping all this water around.
If you look at the products that are available in the market, almost all of them are going to require you to throw away a bottle every single time. If you really start to dig into the ingredients of them, a lot of them have ingredients like acrylic cross-polymers that are just plastic, that are part of ingredients that are just plastic that do certain functional things. We have really started this trend. I only see this in the next 10, 20 years. This becomes the standard and all the other formats are not going to be the standard.
At the same time that I was starting Blueland, I also converted my entire home and my family to living as zero waste a lifestyle as possible. My husband was so supportive and got on board, except my husband stayed tried and true to his Costco size body wash. It certainly was a motivator for me to, eventually get him a gel body wash that came in a reusable bottle. We're so proud of our first of its kind powder to gel body wash that we put out into the market. Nothing like it has ever existed before, and the real innovation has been taking this dry powder, being able to add it to a bottle of water that you add just right at home, shaking it for just 10 seconds, and then you let it sit for just an hour, and then you have a thick gel, much like the one that you're using, that transforms into a hydrating rich foam. When we got started, the idea of refillable cleaning products or personal care products was unheard of. And now you look around today, and I would say most, if not all, of even the major CPG brands have their version of refillable cleaning products. It's really exciting to see that we're having an impact on these companies that are many times bigger than us, and I think helping us in our mission of, again, really shifting the consumer mindset away from one of single-use and disposable products to one of reuse.